Yo, what's going on YouTube? This your boy Anthony here, back with another video, and today we're gonna add another mod to the car, man. This is something I should have done a long time ago. I don't know why I waited this long, but stay tuned for this video and I'll show you all about it. As you guys can see, we finally made it here to Midnight Tint and Vinyl, and this is the third mod. I can't even keep up, but it's like another mod I'm adding on to the Camaro. It's going to get the ceramic tint done, 15% around all sides, and as I take it into the garage here, I'm going to show you guys the inside a little bit, and then I'm going to show you the finishing results. So keep watching. Okay guys, this is the finishing result with the ceramic tint, 15% all the way around. Look at that. The third mod is completely done. More coming soon. More is coming soon. You can barely even see in there. It's like what, 20% tint? It's dirty, like it's up close, but you can't really see up in there. Ceramic tint is probably one of the best tints you can actually get on your car, because it keeps the heat in the window instead of going through the window. It's guaranteed. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this and stay tuned for more videos.